Good morning, son. Today's the big day, huh? Your first day at the new school?
Yeah, Dad, I'm a little nervous.
Feeling nervous is normal, champ. We went through this when we moved here. I know it's tough, but you'll do great. I have a few pieces of advice to help you navigate through this new city and school.
All right, Dad. What do you have in mind?
First things first, be yourself. You're an amazing kid, and people will love getting to know you just as you are. Confidence comes from being comfortable with who you are.
Got it, Dad. I understand the importance of being true to who you are and not pretending to be someone else in the new school or city.
That's right. Next, make an effort to introduce yourself and be friendly to your classmates. Smile, make eye contact, and offer a firm handshake when you meet someone new. It leaves a lasting impression.
Handshake really?
Absolutely. A good handshake shows confidence and respect. Now, about making new friends, just be open and approachable. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself and strike up conversations. You'll find common interests in no time.
What if no one wants to be friends with me?
Don't worry about that. Everyone wants friends, and you're a likable guy. Just give it time and you'll see. You'll make plenty of friends.
Thank you, Dad, for your guidance and encouragement. I'm willing to give it a try.
And when it comes to the city, don't be afraid to explore. Find new places to visit and make some memories outside of school. It'll help you feel more at home here.
Okay, Dad. I'll give it a try.
Now let's talk about breakfast. I know you're not a big fan of it, but it's essential to start your day with a healthy meal. It gives you the energy you need to concentrate in class and be your best.
I don't really feel like eating right now, Dad. Can I just have something at school?
Son, eating at home means you have control over what you eat. You can have a balanced meal, and we can make it something you enjoy. Plus, it's a great time for us to catch up in the morning.
All right, Dad. What's on the menu then?
How about some scrambled eggs, toast, and fresh fruit? It's quick and nutritious.
That sounds good, Dad. Thanks for the advice, and for breakfast.
You're welcome, my child. Just know that I'm here to support you throughout this journey. You can do this, and I feel a great sense of pride in you.
Thanks, Dad. I'll make you proud.
I know you will. Now let's get that breakfast started.